there. Yes, I got knocked up. What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing. Nothing at all. It's not mine.
Well, if it's not yours, guess who's gonna take care of it?
Yeah, Jody.
Jody, you hear that? We gotta put him on child support.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah, I'm tired of the deer look.
How dare you? It actually makes you look cute.
Whatever.
We're in love. You lost your deer face.